crafty friends, just wanted to come on and share with you a tag journal, I guess. It's basically my intent, or my view of it, is just something that you would actually glue on the back of a journal and then have a really nice area to write on. This is actually for a challenge that we had from Colette at Country Creational Swaps on Facebook. She's also on YouTube under Country Creations, and the challenge was for Alice. So this is what I am sending in, and as you can see from the front, we've got some oxides and some images and oh boy, just about everything. Die cuts, we've got some texture spots and lots of bling. And then the way that I envision this is that this would be glued, like I mentioned, to the back of a journal perhaps, and then this would open up and this would be the first page that you can write on or add photos to, journal on it maybe, write some ideas. The first page is Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Then you flip it over, the next page would be the deck of cards, painting the roses red. Then we've got the king and the Mad Hatter at the tea party. And the last page is playing cards with the treat bowl. And so basically it just kind of tucks right back in like this, nice and neat, once it's glued onto a journal or a notebook or all kinds of sorts of ideas. So hope you guys like this, hope you enjoy the idea, and thank you so much for allowing me to share.